afternoon. How are you? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in? I am from Odisha. What about you? Chennai. What are you student or are you okay? Which department are you working? Okay, but are you working in government department, private department, IT sector? Where are you working? Private company. How long have you been working in that department? Last 15 years. Oh my goodness. Okay, are you working in your state or different state in India? Okay, I know Dubai. Okay, you are working in Dubai, right? But you are from Chennai in India. Okay, then do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with the co-learner? Okay, you want to interact with the stranger and you want to make friends, right? Okay. How many languages do you know? Okay, then you are a polyglot. You know several languages. You can speak several languages as well. Then you are a okay. Then you tell me you are working in Dubai for 15 years, right? Okay. Then your company provide PADA accommodation, food, everything in there. Okay, means how you see they are in Indian means atmosphere and Dubai atmosphere. How do you means differentiate in Indian atmosphere and Dubai atmosphere office work? How is it? Okay, mhm. Right, because Dubai is a developed country, right? Then definitely everything will be okay and very good in there, right? Apart from India. Yeah, I got your point. Do you interact with anyone in English? Do you talk with everyone in English? Do you talk with? Okay, I got your point. If anyone interact with you in English, then you talk with them in English, right? Or if you meet Indian friend or your state friend, then you talk with them according to their native language. Okay, so nice. How long have you been using this platform? Okay, how did you know about this platform? Who suggested you use this platform? Okay. Oh, hmm, Right, you are right. Because you are a premium user, and if you want to interact with anyone and anytime, you can interact with them. I think so, right? And this kind of platform is a very good platform because we are Indian, we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone in English, right? That's why this kind of platform, at least we get chance to interact with them in English. Yeah, because you know we are living here, India is a languages country. All states have different languages, right? We cannot learn languages, but we can learn English language and we can communicate with others in English. Yeah. Then, okay, means how much amount have you paid through platform? Have you paid from platform? Okay, 1 week only. If you get, then definitely you subscribe once. Right, I got your point. Then you tell me how much means time do you invest in the platform for this? How, yep, for this. Yes. Okay. You invest your time 2 hours per day, right? Okay, that's good. And you interact with them and you talk. Okay, if you interact with them, you discuss any topic or just interact with them in casual conversation. Okay. Okay. Apart from Dubai, have you visited different country in okay, due to your job purpose or have you visited only for traveling purpose? Okay, because you want to go there and you visit there, right? What time is there? What time is there right now? 12:45. Okay. Then right now are you in office? Right. Okay, okay. Okay, I got today. Sorry, I forgot. Means Ramjam festival is going on, right? You got a holiday, 2 3 days. Okay, what's your qualification? BTech. And what is your branch name? Which department have you completed your graduation? Mechanical, electrical, electronics, computer science, which electrical. Okay, that's good. And within 15 years, you get promotion. Within 15 years, did you get promotion? Okay, how many company have you changed? Okay, you collected experience, right? You collect your experience. Yeah, then it is a better for you and you increase your salary, right? Yeah. Miss, how many company have you changed? Okay, you focus salary also, right? Or other. Yeah. Then that is a good thing because you get also experience and you change your professional life also. And do you want to settle in Dubai or do you want to come back in India? Okay. Then what do you want to do in India if you come back in India? Do you want to set up your business or what? If you come back in India, do you want to set up your business or do you want to provide your service in India? Okay, what kind of business do you want to do? Okay, you want to set up your business like a hardware business, right? Yeah, because you have completed your graduation in electrical. Yeah, that is a better for you also, and you get also so many experience from different country, right? Business. Okay, are you born and brought up in Chennai? Are you born and brought up in Chennai? Are you born and brought up in Chennai? Yes, yes. I heard about Kanyakumari. Okay, I think which state in Kanyakumari? Which state belongs to Kanyakumari? Right now, are you in outside? Okay, wind is blowing right now. I heard that sound. What kind of? I don't. I I don't use. Yep. I use it. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm using this platform. Yeah, I installed in this platform around I think 2 weeks ago. I have been using this platform couple of days. Yeah. You know, as in India, we never get chance to interact with anyone in English. Yeah, that's why we are using this platform. Okay, any other question? Okay. Then it was nice session with you.